Namaste. हमेशा खुश रहो विद्या. I'm Jane Dr. Lily Freddy, and today I'm going to discuss before you diseases of maize, in which we are going to specifically discuss the two diseases, that is, we have the stalk rot of maize and downy mildew of maize. Now, the disease which is the stalk rot of maize is a bacterial disease. As you can see here, I've taken this from a PDF, and this is caused by Erwinia chrysanthemi pathovariety ZA. So, and the host is maize. So this always infects the maize. Now, the bacterial stalk rot of maize has the symptoms similar to the Pythium stalk rot. Now the basal internodes, they develop soft rot, and as you can see in the picture, it gives a tan or brown and water soaked appearance. This is the area which is shown. The pith of the infected plant will decay and become mushy and soft. As we all know, it is a rot disease. So there is a sweet fermenting odor which accompanies this rot, and sometimes the leaf also shows signs of wilting or water loss, and the affected plant will topple down. The plant will fall down. So here you can see the leaf, and here is the top rot of maize. Now what are the conditions which are favoring the disease? High temperature, high amount of rainfall and flooding, overhead irrigation and insect injury. So insect injury is for bacterial transmission inside. Overhead irrigation is helpful in the spread of the bacteria, high amounts of rainfall and flooding, and high temperature. So the bacterium is the disease cycle in the bacterium is able to survive on plant temperature or in soil. The high humidity and free water favor the spread and penetration of the bacteria. The Erwinia chrysanthemi is a soft rot pathogen which degrades the succulent fleshy plant organism. And as you all know, bacteria enters through natural opening of wounds. So these opening of wounds can be caused due to heavy rainfall, hail damage, insect feeding, high wind. And the wind, the rain, and insects, they transmit the bacterial ooze from one plant to another. High temperatures of 25 to 30 degrees centigrade favor such disease development. How do we manage this disease? It is managed through the use of resistant varieties like Ganga sulfate 2, hybrid, DHN 103. The sanitation is the removal of infected crop debris. Waterlogging should be avoided, and poor drainage should be avoided. We should also not use excessive irrigation. Injuries to plant life, as already said before, will only spread the disease, so we have to avoid injury. Then three applications of bleaching powder, 10% at the rate of 16.5 kg per hectare, can be used at the time of sowing, earthing, and testing stage. Now, the second disease which we are going to take today is downy mildew of maize. The pathogen is Pernosporospora philippinensis or Pernosporospora sorghite, Pernosporospora saccharide, Pernosporospora maydis, or even Scallospora graminicola or Scallospora racei. And as we all are studying maize, so the host is maize. Now, downy mildew is characterized by local lesions and systemic infection. So all Pernosporospora both induce local and systemic infection. The symptoms are fluorosis, white spikes of seeds, stunting, and downy fungal growth on both leaf surfaces. Now here, as you all have studied, downy means the type of fruit, not the place of fruit. On both the leaf surface are the characteristic symptoms. Severe infection induces blotching, and systemic infection can induce malformation of vessels, ears, and other parts. Wilting will start from top leaves, and leaves will become dull green, lose color, and become dry. Here we have another disease, brown stripe disease of maize, caused by Stalkrot resi variety CA. So as the word says, stripe, so this you can see other stripes formed on the leaf. So causal organism, Stalkrot resi variety CA. What happens? Leaf lesions are there. They appear brown, chlorophyll, brownish, and red stripes on the leaf. Then we also have the Philippine downy mildew of maize, caused by the species philippinensis. Genus is again Pernostelostera. It infects the young plants and seeds through systemic infection. Now there is malformation of the decay and floral tissue. So here you see the floral tissue. Here you can see a nice picture of downy mildew of maize. Now epidemiology of downy mildew is cool, humid weather, high temperature, 20 to 25 degrees. Zinc deficiency is a predisposing factor. Collateral host and wild host, they also harbor the downy mildew, and the disease cycle is the ooze spores in the seed, soil or plant debris, and the ooze spore in the soil serves as primary infection, and secondary is by ooze spores which are formed in the sporangia and on the lower surface of the infected leaf. Disease management is to sanitization, that is eradication of collateral and wild host, along with debris, seed treatment with metalaxyl, spray with Mancozeb or Ridomil, and use of western varieties, DMR1, DMR5, and DMR11. So students, I hope you found my lecture interesting. If you have any queries, please give them in the comment section. I will resolve it soon. This session was powered by Digital